Fast and furious. Continuous innovation. Satisfaction at its finest. City Shutters guarantees all of it. Fast delivery and furious quality has been the company's objective ever since it started in 2002. Continuous innovation is the key to supply all the demands on time at a reasonable price. And the result is customer satisfaction at its finest. The company's machineries include shearing machine, bending machine, robotic welding, turret punching machines, and paint booth. All these machines are brand new and CNC. City Shutters is the only company in this industry that utilizes this robotic welding machine to further ensure quality in products. Shutter curtains are made of Galvalume materials, which can resist rust for 10 years. The type of roll-up include high-impact polycarbonate shutter for indoor use, high-impact polycarbonate shutter with UV for outdoor use, stainless steel shutter, aluminum shutter, aluminum grill, and high-speed roll-up curtain for food processing plants that all come with warranties. We also offer a variety in metal doors and louver doors, including chromate, no warping, fire-resistant, burglar-resistant, ballistic-resistant, weather and insect-proof, acoustical system, airtight door, and soundproof door. City Shutter also distributes and installs gate automation from Italy. BFT is one of the largest gate automations in Europe. We give warranty on parts and labor for our gate automation. City Shutter is not only limited to its brand, but also repairs other brands of shutter doors that comes with warranty on parts and labor. As one of the largest manufacturers in this industry, City Shutters has the most competent and skilled workers. In partnership with Testa, City Shutters is proud to have 15 graduates of welders every quarter. This is to ensure that all welders have NCII certificate. We invest in the continuous training of our employees across all levels because we believe that our best asset is our people. Not only do we value the quality of our products, but we also aim to give back to our community by becoming a member PCA and donating to outreach programs of Habitat for Humanity and GMA Kapuso Foundation. City Shutters is indeed the place where hard work and technology meets excellence.